Okay, so we have seen lot of folding phones in this past few years. We have seen Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, Huawei and many others. And now Google jump into the foldable phone market.
Introducing Google Pixel Fold.
Yes, it is the same company who make Android operating system. In this latest Google I/O, Google announced their latest Google Pixel Fold with $1,800 price tag. Definitely, it's a stunning thin and one of the most expensive phone out there. It has 7.6-inch OLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate and 1000 nits of peak brightness. And then the secondary display is 5.8-inch with 120Hz refresh rate, and it's coming with 1550 nits of peak brightness. For the performance, it has Google Tensor G2, the same old Google's very own processor, with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB and 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage system. In the camera department, where Google do the all magical stuff, in the Pixel Fold, it's come with triple rear camera system, 48 megapixel of rear lens and 10.8 megapixel of ultra wide lens, and another 10.8 megapixel of telephoto lens, and it's capture incredible and stunning photos, both daylight and low light. And for the selfie and video call, it have 8 megapixel of front camera and 9.5 megapixel of cover camera. Honestly, Google makes one of the smartest phone in the market because of their hardware and software compatibility, and AI integration make it more smarter. And now Google bring some amazing Google AI stuff like their Google Map immersive view, then Magic Editor in the Google Photo, and Gmail with Help Me Write, call screening, voice recording, and so on. For a foldable phone, battery is very important part because bigger display needs powerful batteries. Google Pixel Fold has a 4821 mAh battery with 30 watt of wireless charging capability. Kind of slow in this price range. And for the protection, it's come with Gorilla Glass Victor and aluminum frame and IPX8 water resistant. But definitely in this price tag, $1,800, you have to think many times before you buy unless you have lots of money. Let's see how it's work for rest of the market. It's not available right now, but pre-order is open in Google's official website, and it will available from June. And that's all about Google Pixel Fold. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, will be awesome. Stay safe. See you in the next one. Peace.